Welcome! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily record your iOS screen, whether it's for a tutorial, gameplay, or any other content you want to capture. We'll go step by step through the process, cover some tips and common mistakes, and even add expert insights to help you make the most out of your screen recordings. Let's get started. Recording your iOS screen is super easy, and here's how you can do it in a few simple steps. First, you need to go from your upper right. Swipe down, click on the plus button on the top left, and then add a control. And then you need to go ahead and type in screen recording. And then click on screen recording. And then it should add it over to the most bottom right slot. And then you can stop by scrolling up. And then you can now open the control center. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen for phones with Face ID, or swipe up from the bottom of the screen for iPhones with the home button. So I'm going to access the control center. Click on the screen record button right here. And now it should be recording my screen. So whatever I do on my screen on my iPhone, it is now recording it. And then I can hold it, click on microphone on, and now it's recording my microphone. So now whenever I'm talking, it should display it on the iPhone screen. And then whenever I want to stop the recording, I can click the top left, or the red part, and then click on stop recording. Now that you know how to record your iOS screen, here's a few tips to ensure you get the best results. Clear your notifications. Before you start recording, clear any notifications or alerts that could pop up during your session. You don't want any unnecessary interactions or distractions in your video. Use Do Not Disturb mode by going from the top right, going on Focus, and then clicking on Do Not Disturb. You can also record with the microphone like what I told you earlier, and you can also edit after recording. Here are some common challenges or mistakes. Accidental stops. It's easy to accidentally stop recording when swiping or interacting with the screen. Be careful when opening the control center or interacting near the red recording bar to avoid ending the session prematurely. Recording in low quality. Some users forget that iOS screen recordings capture exactly what's displayed. If your brightness is low or your screen is cluttered, it'll record a video that may not look great. Make sure your screen is clean and adjust your brightness to a comfortable level before recording. Here are some additional tools and resources that can help make your iOS screen recording even better. iMovie or Clips app, QuickTime Player for Mac users, and third-party editing tools. A quick bit of background, iOS screen recording wasn't always available. It was introduced back in 2017. Now, it's a built-in feature that continues to improve with every update. To wrap it up, here are some expert insights. Plan your recording. Record in landscape mode. If you're showing an app or game that works better in landscape mode, make sure to rotate your device. This will give your viewers a better viewing experience. Use voiceovers for clarity. If you're doing a tutorial or walkthrough, narrating your actions as you go can be super helpful for viewers. Edit out unnecessary sections. And that's basically it. You're now ready to start recording your iOS screen like a pro. With these steps and tips, you'll be able to capture high-quality videos for any purpose. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions or tips of your own. Thanks for watching!